Hey planner babes, it's Mandy and Honey from Create with Mandy, and I'm so excited. I just got home and I'm ready to open my squad box that came, and I'm so excited to see what I got. I know there's going to be so many amazing planners because I've seen a little bit from the Happy Planner and from my squad mates of what they got, and so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, so I'm about to open it here with Honey. She's going to help me out maybe, and she sniffed something real good on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so here we go. So excited. Okay, bubble wrap. And the first thing is this planner from the Minimalist line. This is the next Happy Planner girl. This one comes with that really cool new cover. It's like a bendy pleather. Very cool and interesting. I think it's so cool, like, that it's just different. Okay, next is a gratitude guided happy journal. So trust the universe. That's cute. I really like how simple that cover is. I will go ahead and do a flip through of most of this stuff later on to give you guys an idea of everything. Next is a goals happy guided happy journal. That's cool too. I like how simple it is as well. Okay, all the feels guided happy journal. Awesome. Super cute illustrations and stuff. Ooh, yes, I think this is the, yes, Teresa Collins collab planner. Super cute, and it comes with gold medal discs. Wow, that's so nice. I love how simple it is. Love that design there. Just the plain dots, but they're not perfect dots. That's what I love. Ooh, that looks really nice on the inside. Ooh, I'm super happy about this one. So cute. I'm actually so glad that I got this one. Horizontal layout. I love this. The pattern, the cover, everything about it. And I do use a horizontal sometimes. So I am actually excited to have that to like kind of switch out the pages every once in a while. Super cute. Next is this planner. Let's see, it's A Beautiful Life. I'm not sure of the name, but the flowers on this one are really pretty. Vertical layout, awesome. Dog lover, how perfect. Honey, you got your own planner. Super cute. Okay, next, another vertical layout, awesome. Super pretty cover. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, that's really pretty. The inside. Wow, awesome. Okay, next, let's go ahead and do it here. So the Minimalist tiny sticker pad, awesome. I'll go ahead and do a flip through of these stickers in a bit. Some of the little asterisk discs, perfect, so cute. I do like the pink. Cute. These are the rainbow. I like the rainbow pattern. Super cute. Love these. I'm trying to think about what I would want to use them on. Now these are so cute. Look at those colors. I love those neutral colors down the middle and the little stars. Oh, this is so good. I love this. Love that. Okay, next is the Minimalist sticker book. Got a little bent because there's so much stuff in this box, but that's all right. And I'll go ahead and do a flip through of that in a bit. I haven't even looked at it myself because I've been trying not to look at all the flip throughs and everything because I want it to be a surprise. Super cute horizontal layout planner, mini planner. I love that this collection with this pattern, super cute. Next is, yes, Teresa Collins stickers. These are the 5-page sticker books or whatever. It's not a full sticker book. So there they are, so pretty. So glad I got that one. Yay, Halloween. I'm so glad I got this one too. Oh my gosh, so cute. Love this so much. I'll do a flip through of all these things. The minimalist fill paper, super cute. I love the pink, super functional. Looks like the back is just a lined paper with pink, super cute. Can't wait to use that. Next, it's this wildflower planner. I'm trying to like think of where, if I've seen this one, but super cute. I like the silver, that's different. I feel like you don't see silver on the covers very often. Next is All the Feels Skinny Classic Planner. Cute. Let's see. The Punch from Stephanie's collection. Amazing. Love this. Let me save those stickers. Okay, a big planner, vertical, the flower one. Awesome. Pretty. I might use that as my memory planner. We'll see. This awesome, let's see, storage tote. Super cute. I'm excited for this. It's just going to be great storage in my craft room, and if I do need to take my stuff anywhere. So I will also go ahead and do a video on the setup of this, because and just kind of give you like my review of it and see what it can hold and all the stuff like that. Okay, next are the stickers. Okay, so I got All the Feels. Cute fall. I am so happy I got this one. Super, super excited. I hope I got yes winter. So glad. Super excited for that. And summer vibes, yes. Okay, so I just brought this one home because I had one and my mom loves it, and so I left it with her because I was like, I think I'm gonna get one from seeing everyone else's boxes, so I'm glad I got one. So I left, because I left my old one with her. So yay, I got these 4 sticker books. I'll go ahead and do a flip through of the winter, well, the 3 new ones here. Okay, I got some journals. I'd have to take them apart to show you what they look like. Ooh, there's 4. That is new. So dotted line, blank, dot grid. But there's 4 in there. That's cool. That is new. Okay, next, some new things. So this is the Caregiver Calendar Extension. Oh, I'm super excited to see what comes with that. Interesting. I will have to open that up for you guys as well. Yay, I'm so glad I got one of the holiday companion packs. This is awesome. I'm so glad I got some of the holiday stuff. Very cool. Open that up as well. And then Everyday Productivity Extension Pack. Interesting. Looks like it comes with some paper, stickers, and some dashboards. Awesome. Those are really cute. I love like the pink and the neutrals, or like that is just like a really subtle color scheme there. Love it. It says stickers, undated goal sheets. So interesting. So that is my squad box. I am so happy with everything that I got. Wow, I'm super excited. Stay tuned for some flip throughs of these planners and sticker books, and let me know down below what you want to see flip throughs of as well, in case I leave 1 or 2 of these planners or items out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my flip throughs. Bye guys.